this time with a review. I was watching like makeup tutorials on YouTube on how to basically do makeup because I don't know how. And I came across one that was talking about lipsticks, and y'all know that I love lipsticks. So she was talking about what's it called? Ofra. It's O-F-R-A. And the colors that she was putting on looked so cute. I said, let me try it. So I got a couple of them. I'm gonna try them on today and see how I really like it. And let's get into it. I'll tell you the names of the colors and let's get it popping. So this is the box that it came in. Small box. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They had like a sale going on too, so that was one of the main reasons that I got it. But I don't know which one to try on first because they're all pretty. So let's start with Cancun. Let me show you what that looks like. This is what the box looks like. So I'll try this one first. First of all, this is the little tube that it comes in. This one is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. And this is the brush. Let's see what it looks like. This is a little bit better. So this is what the first one looks like. This is Cancun. I think I like it. I'm not sure where I'm gonna wear it just yet, but I think I like. Let's try on color number 2. Alright, so this is this one. This is Cancun. This is what it looks like after it's dried. I actually like it more now that it's dry. When I first put it on, I was like, I don't know about this. But it definitely looks better once it's like dried and set. So let's go to color number 2. So this one is called Nina. I'll show you what that color looks like. On the website, it said it's like a cranberry type of color, and this one is also a long-lasting liquid lipstick. So we take that out. It looks like this. Pretty, pretty. Let's try it on. Okay, so this one I have to say I like it as soon as it went on. It hasn't fully dried yet, so I'll give it a second to do that. But the color itself is kind of one of my like go-tos, which probably isn't great. I feel like I should try new things, but you like what you like. So this is what it looks like. So this one is called Americano. I'm not gonna try this one on because this one was a free one. Not free, it was like $1. They discounted it all the way to $1. So I just got it just because I'm probably gonna give it to somebody in their Christmas gift. So I don't want to put it on because then my my lips been on it. COVID is still a thing. Unless it's like somebody like my sister or something, that's not okay. So, show you what it looks like. This is also a liquid lipstick. And that's the color. Moving on. This liquid lipstick is called Bordeaux. Show you what the color looks like before I take it out. This is pretty already. This is another one of my like go-to shades. So if you hadn't noticed by now, one of my favorite colors is purple. And I love a good like dark purple lip. So that's what led me to this beauty. And I think I love it already. It looks good even before it dries. I'll show you what that looks like. Love it. This is going in the favorites. And then there's two more. So next one is called Ruby. This one looks a little different. I don't remember if this is a gloss or if this is a lipstick, but it also doesn't say it on the thing that it is one. So let's try Miss Ruby on and see how she looks. Long-lasting lips. Okay, so it's a lipstick. There we go. Okay, so right off the bat, I don't know if I'm a big fan of this one, but it might just be because it hasn't dried. It just looks kind of what's the word I'm looking for? Like thin. I put on 2 coats and I feel like it still looks like it's barely there. But like I said, it could be because it didn't dry, so let me give it a minute before I judge it too harshly. So it's actually dry now. Looks pretty much the same to me, but now that I look at it, it's not that bad either. It's more so like a tint. It doesn't have to be dramatic. It's just a little to give your lip a little bit of color. So I can dig it. Next, the last one. Last one is called Rocks. This one is just a black lipstick. I like black lipsticks. I don't know what happens to all of them though, because I end up losing them. So hopefully I don't lose this one. This one is also a long-lasting liquid lipstick. I feel like I'm holding it the wrong way, but I'm sure you catch my drift. It's a pretty black. I like it. So yeah, these are all the colors I got. One more time so you can see. So I got Mina, Cancun, Americano, So, like I said, this is my first time ordering from them, and I pretty much like it. I mean, I don't have any major complaints. I guess I I wouldn't really know until I like wear them out to see if it rubs off too easily or anything like that. But it says long lasting liquid lipstick. So if it doesn't last long, then you have a problem. But overall, I would order from them again. I like the way they look, I like the way they go on, and I like how fast they dry. So yeah, it's pretty cool. That's all I got for now. The usual, like, subscribe. If you have any questions about any of the colors, I'll probably actually wear them now that I've done this little unboxing. And yeah, maybe I'll get some more later on. Like, they also have like pretty like